Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we'll be demonstrating our Periodic Review Manager. Many organizations are required to conduct periodic user access reviews, especially those adhering to regulations like Sarbanes Oxley and JSox. This process entails reviewing the SAP access assigned to users to determine whether it is still relevant and appropriate for the next period. Performing user access reviews can be challenging due to the technical and complex nature of SAP authorisations and non-descriptive SAP role-naming conventions. This can make the process cumbersome and time-consuming for business users, adding little value to the organization. Soterion's Periodic Review Manager solves this problem by enabling business users to perform user access reviews using business process flow functionality. This eliminates the need for technical knowledge associated with transaction codes, Fiori apps, and SAP role names. By selecting a function on the business process flow diagrams, the Soterion application highlights the SAP users and roles that contain that functionality or ability. By converting the technical GRC language into a language that business users can understand, this results in faster and better informed decision-making, allowing organizations to derive greater value from their user access review process and manage their access risk more effectively. Take control of compliance tasks, such as user access reviews, with Soterion's Periodic Review Manager. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.